Here we are with the Focus today. This is a Mk1 2-litre Z-Tech Focus. And the problem we've got is with the key. So we think the battery is flat because it will not lock the car. So let's go ahead and take a look and see whether swapping out the battery is going to fix this key and lock the car again. So the first step is just get the key off the ring and separate the two. You'll need a flathead screwdriver for this job, and for me, I've got a little small toothbrush here. While I've got it apart, I like to clean all the parts inside. Alright, let's get started. On the back of the key, you'll find a small little tab that a small flat blade screwdriver fits right into, just like so. Push it in and then pop out the key. Like that. Slide the key apart. Now this is your key fob, okay? There's what sends the signal, so be really careful with that. You don't want to damage anything here. Moving ahead, just clean up the area a little bit first to make sure that you don't get any excess dirt into the key fob itself. So once you're pretty happy with it, it's time to open it up. So there's the little tabs that hold the key fob together. So again, a small flathead screwdriver, just pop it open gently, and pull it apart. So now that you've got the unit apart, there's two sections to it. One has the electronic board on it. This houses the buttons and all the gizmos that make the key fob work. We've got a little bit more dirt here, so I'm just going to quickly clean that up. I just like to clean parts when I have them apart because, you know, you can get an old part almost back to brand new. You know, this car is 17 years old now. Just removing all this excess, 17-year-old crud will, make sure that can take a lot more abuse. Especially with things like keys, this thing's got a lot of human slime on it, old skin and whatnot from different owners. So I just like to clean this stuff up so it's, as good as new. Alright, let's go ahead and get this battery out. So once again, flathead screwdriver, and you've got two tabs there, little black tabs, and just pry them apart. Just move it out of the way and get underneath and just pry up the battery, like so. So now that you've got that out, you can see that it's a CR2032 Energizer 3-volt battery. You should be able to pick this up at most auto parts stores or hardware stores, and potentially supermarkets as well. So once you've got your new battery, it's just a simple matter of popping it back in. Make sure that your tabs are connecting. One of my tabs I've found is broken, just like so. So I'm using a flat blade to make sure that the two contacts are holding the battery in place. Now this isn't super crucial, so I'm not too worried about one of those tabs being broken, because once you pop the key fob back together, the two sections of the key fob basically hold the battery in place. So nothing to worry about. That's it, battery replaced. So just make sure all the mechanics of the key fob work, and then basically slide the two sections together and you're pretty much done. Let's head over to the car and see if we've made a difference. Okay, so let's give the remote a go. Should lock the car. Okay. And then unlocking the car. And we're good to go. So there you go guys, that's how easy it is to change the battery on a Ford Focus Mk1 key. If your battery needs replacement, go ahead and follow along with this video. Speaking of which, if you like this video, please click the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified of any other videos I might post up. And with that, thanks for watching. My name is Eric from Horusworks, and hope to see you next time.